Welcome to Dialogue 13.
I want to learn English. Do you want to learn English?
In English, the infinitive has to be before the verb. I want to run.
I want to eat.
He wants to run. She learns how to speak English.
Do I want to run in the park?
Yes, you do want to run in the park.
Where do you want to eat? Do you want to eat English food? What food do you want? Why do you want to eat?
I want to eat because I am hungry.
To run, I run, you run. She runs, he runs, it runs. We run, you run, they run. To eat, I eat, you eat.
He eats, she eats, it eats.
We eat, you eat, they eat.
In English, we put an S after a verb with he, she, and it.
We put an S after nouns in the plural.
A dog, the dogs.
A park, the parks.
A cousin, the cousins.